Today we're looking at the ANRAN wireless security camera. Before we start, if you find the video helpful, a like would be much appreciated, and please subscribe for more reviews. So before we start, let's take a look around the box. So here is just the camera, HD wireless battery powered security camera there. Let's take a look on the side. Here are some key features about the camera. So it's smart home surveillance camera, remote access via free app, playback or record the video by micro SD card, enhanced HD night vision, intelligent motion detection and clear two-way audio. Look on the back here, that's just what's included, just a bit of information. Look on the other side, just some more key features, which HD video, two-way talk, micro SD card slot, alarm notification and Wi-Fi connection. So now let's take a look inside the box. So this is everything what comes inside the box. Here we have a 24-hour video surveillance card by ANRAN. We have our quick start guide here. Just have a look through this. Just showing us how to pair up our phone and camera. And then here we have our wall mount sticker, which we'll place on the wall, and these will be used as screw holes. Here we've got our micro USB cable, which would charge the camera. These are our wall plugs and screws for the camera mount. And this would be the camera mount here, which rotates 90 degrees. And it also turns 360 degrees. And then we have the camera itself, of course. So now let's have a look around the camera. So on the front we have our lens, our floodlight, our PIR sensor, our built-in microphone. Then we have these like little bumps going across. They're just light indicators. Side just have the name. And on the back we have the built-in speaker, the mounting thread. Then on the bottom we have this thick rubber cover here, which will allow no water to get in. We have our micro SD card port, our charging port, our power on off button and our factory reset button. Okay, now let's go ahead and pair the camera to my phone. So if we go to add a device here, I've already made the account and stuff, and then if I show you this, then add battery camera.
The device power button to start the device.
Okay, so if we hold the device power button, start. There we go, it's on now. Bit of a long wait to start it. Go next.
Reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds.
Okay, so we need
for the indicator light to flash red.
Okay, so we need to reset it. It says hold for 4 to 5 seconds and wait for the flashing red indicator light. There we go, it's made a noise. So now should be fine. There we go, it's reset.
Select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter
Okay.
the password.
Now I'll just quickly connect my Wi-Fi off camera. So Wi-Fi is connected. Now I just need to show the camera the QR code. So if I press next here, if I just do this, okay, might have done it now. There we go, it says connection successful already. That was really quick. So guessing it's this one. If I press next, installation guide, showing me how to charge it, just some guides on how to install it. Let's skip past them. So now we skip past all the installation guides, which is it was a bit of a long one. Now what we'll do is press next here. So press next. There we go. And there we go, it's showing up some of the camera footage. Show that that's strong. Next. That's done. And there we go. Now the camera is all set up and ready to be used. So now let's have a look around the app. So as you can see on the front here, on the home part of the app, we have our device there. So if we look around here, we can see we've got a settings icon there, settings cog there, which which will take us to the settings of the camera. We've got this camera name there, which is just a number. We've got our battery icon and Wi-Fi icon there. Let's click the settings cog. Got our notifications on, share the device, so if we make a group, alarm messages, so it'll just send me some notifications of if it's detected anything outside. Got a help, guide and settings. Let's click that. So as you can see here, we've got the camera settings now. We've got an installation guide, device share, location management, time setting, so we can change the time from 24-hour clock to 12-hour. We've got image settings, sound settings there, alarm management, battery management here, which would tell us our current battery percentage, which is 100%, and recording management. So now let's actually click on the camera. Let's just wait for it to load up. There we go, it loaded up pretty fast there. So as you can see, I've set it up outside and it's in my garden. So I just want to show you this quick feature. You can pinch to zoom in and pinch to zoom out as well. So if you see something in your garden but you can't quite figure out what it is, you could actually zoom in to see. So say if I wanted to look at my plants over there, I would just zoom in to look at them. On the bottom here we have screenshot, which you would press to screenshot anything currently happening. Intercom, which is two-way audio, so you can talk to someone on the opposite end of the camera and they can speak to you as well through your phone. Record, to record anything going on. Motion detection, which is currently on, so if someone walked past it or if my pet walks past it, for example, we'll be able to see and it'll send us a notification. We've got light there, which will enable the floodlight. We've got siren. Now it'll be a louder noise, which it is really loud. I've checked it before. It'll be a loud noise and it'll just scare anything off, I think. Let's press it. I'm not sure if you heard that, but there is a very loud noise. Then if we go across here, audio warning and strobe light, which I'm guessing that would make the floodlight like flash a lot, I'm guessing. Full color mode, just some image settings. And album, click album. This is where all your screenshots and videos will be saved. Then if we go history here, just cancel that. If we go history here, we've got the calendar. So if you wanted to go back to previous dates, you could do so with this feature. We've got history, so you could go through the timeline of the day and have a look through, if you wanted to find something out during this day, you could go through that. You've got album, same thing. So I've mainly gone through everything. Now if we just have a look at some of the other last couple features. If you look at this HD and SD, these are two different resolutions. We press SD, it'll give us a lower resolution. Press HD, obviously that's a higher resolution. This speaker here, I've got it currently muted, but if we unmute it, it will give us some of the noise coming from the microphone of the speaker. We'll keep that off for now. And we've got a full screen icon here, which will just full screen the camera video. Okay, so now let's look at the image quality on the camera at daytime and nighttime. Let me know what you think of the video quality in the comment section down below. The image quality will be reduced as YouTube do add a compression on the file. So let's view it now. And there you go, my friends, that was the ANRAN 1080p wireless security camera. Let me know what you think. I hope this video was helpful to someone. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe for more reviews. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.